In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide followers and following list on Facebook. Now, I'm going to show you how people can be able to see your followers and following list on Facebook, and I will proceed to show you how you can hide them. So ensure that you watch this video to the very end so that you do not make any mistake. And if you are new to this channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. Once you've subscribed, please go ahead and leave a like on this video as well. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you, guys. Now, the first step you need to do is to open your Facebook, and then you need to log in to your Facebook account. So once you are here, I'm just going to use an illustration. Now I'm going to choose this person as an example to show you how you can be able to show you how people are able to see your followers and your following list. So let's say an example of this person. If I go to his profile, then I scroll down, then I tap on see about info. See the names of the person, about info. If I type there, then it will land me here. Now here, you are going to see all about this person. So if you scroll down and come to this part of following and tap on see all, you are going to see the pages that is following and all the people that he is following. And then if you tap on followers, you are going to see that this followers list is private. And if you tap on friends, you are going to see all of his friends. So I'm going to show you how you can hide all these things on your Facebook account. So first of all, you need to go back. Then you need to tap on your profile icon on your top right corner. Then you need to scroll down. Then you need to tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. Then you need to scroll down. Then under audience and visibility, you are going to see followers and public content. Just tap on it. Then you are going to see a bunch of options here. So if you start with the first one, who can follow me, if you tap on it, you can choose either public or friends. So depends on how you want it. So in this case, I'm going to select friends and then save. Then go back. Then tap on who can see your followers on your timeline. So here you need to select only me, so that people may not be able to see your followers list. So select only me and then tap on save at the bottom there. Then who can see the people, pages and list you follow. So just tap on it, and then you are going to select the one that you like according to your preferences. But for this video, I'm going to select only me and then save. Then you need to come to the option of who can comment on your profile post. So here again, you are going to choose your friends, then tap on save, then go back. Then when it comes to public profile info, you just need to select friends and then save, then go back. So once you've done that, you need to go back, then tap on profile and tagging. Then here on the first option, who can post on your profile. So you need to select only me, then save. Then who can see what others post on your profile. So again, you can also select the one that you like according to your preferences. So once you've done that, you've already hidden your followers and your following list on Facebook. So that's it, guys. That's how you can hide your followers and your following list on Facebook. Now, if you found value from this video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.